everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. It is so great to be back. If you are new to my channel, hello, it's Jay. And for those who've been with me since the beginning and been watching my videos since the beginning, I don't know if you guys noticed lately I haven't been posting in a while. So I did upload a video Monday talking about why I wasn't posting on YouTube, why I've been out for quite a bit. So if you guys want to know why I haven't been really on YouTube, go ahead and check out my last video. So anyways, moving on. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be trying a new palette, as you guys saw from the thumbnail. And it's the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I never really tried this. Have I ever tried Too Faced palettes? I don't remember. I don't know. You know, I've done so many videos and I just don't remember what I've used and what I haven't used. So I know for sure I never really used this palette, but I'm really excited because it's natural. So who doesn't like a palette with natural colors? Tell me, because I know I do. I'm a slut for natural colors. If you want to know what kind of look I get, if you want to know how this palette looks like on the inside, if you want to know the review on this palette, continue on watching. Eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and prime, well not prime, but add a little concealer to my lid. And this is the Morphe concealer, and this is in the shade C2.35. I'm just gonna grab some and then apply some. Ooh, it's windy outside. And we're just gonna do one of the eyes on camera and the other one off camera. So now let's go ahead and open up this palette. Wow, it's really pretty. I love it. It's really pretty. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, yes. So these are the color shades right here. Oh, it smells so good too. It smells good. Okay, so the first shade that we have, what is this? This is like a how-to glamour guide. So there's some, well, it actually, before anything, it actually comes in with a little glamour guide thingy. It gives you an options on what eye look you could do or whatever, but we're just gonna go ahead and do something different because, you know, I can make up my own stuff. Just saying. I'm just playing. Okay, so these are the colors from the inside. These are nice. These are some nice shades in here. As you can see, you have dark colors, light colors, and then you have some light pink and white ones here. Honestly, you could use these colors, these big colors right down here, like especially this one for a blush. So that is pretty neat, and it smells so damn good. But here we have Heaven, we have Nude Goals, we have Lace Teddy, we have Less is More, Cleavage, Au Natural, I don't know why it's natural. Sexpert, Risky Bees, and Hookup. And I'm not even showing you which one is which, but that is the color right here. These are really pretty colors right here, but, and also it comes with a mirror, as y'all already seen. And I don't know where's the little thing to take it off, unless this is the mirror. Whoops, and I'm scratching it. Yep, this is the mirror and I'm scratching it. Oh God. Yeah, this is the mirror for sure. Yeah, that's the mirror. It doesn't have like a little little sticker to it like other usually mirrors do, and I'm like scratching the shit out of it. But anyways, yes. So first color I do want to go in with is with Cleavage. It's a nice little pink shade here, and we're just gonna grab a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH34. We're just gonna grab some of that cleavage and apply this to the eyes and just blend that out. And really doesn't show as much, but probably have to pack on a little more. Yeah, there we go, there we go, here we go. You do have to pack on just a little bit to get a little nice dark shade, because you see how it's dark here, and on this skin, on the lid, it's not really showing too much of what it shows on the brush, but we'll make it work. Now I'm looking more like the darker shade, and we're going to go into Sexpert right up here. I'm just going to grab a different fluffier brush, and then we're going to apply this one, and this is the Morphe M433, and we're just going to apply this to the outer V. There we go. That's what we want. We want a little darkness. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to do a crease. We're going to grab a flat brush, hello, and do a crease, honey. So I am going to grab my Morphe concealer, and we're going to boop, boop. And that's where, wherever the crease is at, that's where we're going to do the crease. So. Alright, so that's good. I'm just gonna grab a little sponge, and I'm gonna grab another flatter brush, and we're gonna add some of this heaven right here, this white shade. Oh wow, damn. Out of all the freaking white shades in every other palette, this one shows more of the white. Like, that is insane. Alright, we're not gonna add too much. Then I'm gonna go in with Nude Gold, which is this light pink color right here, and we're just gonna add that on top. Oh wow. Yes, girl. And I'm gonna go back in with Sexpert and then just color this in. I'll clean up everything over here. Bam. So we have the white going in, and then we're going into a more of a brown into a darker brown, which that's what I was looking for. That's what you look into a palette. When you look into a palette, some palettes, I'm not trying to throw any shade, well, not too much shade, but in the James Charles palette, you have the white eyeshadow there. And for me, it wasn't working too well. It really didn't, you know, go this white. You know what I'm saying? Like, I literally had to pack on so much of the white that it really didn't work too much for me. But this right here, it doesn't, honestly, it doesn't even look white. It looks like where I'm looking at it at right now, where I'm looking at it now, it doesn't look white. It's more like a yellow, like a cream color. But when I put on the lid, it's white. And that is okay, you know, I'm not going to judge, because either way, like, that's a good shade right there, what I was trying to do. So I'm really happy with the results with this shade. So that is a big thumbs up to me. Yes. Okay, so this is pretty much what we were gonna do with the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye and pop on some lashes. I will let you guys know what lashes I did wear. Or whatever. I kind of was thinking eyeliner, but eyeliner will kind of mess up this look for me. I didn't want it to be messed up or whatever. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Alright guys, so I am back. So off camera, I decided I finished the other eye, and then I added some Beauty Creation lashes in Flirt, and I put on some Gucci mascara. So now we're gonna go into the So we're gonna go ahead for primer. Where you at? For primer, we're gonna go in with the Pore-fessional Pore Primer from Benefit. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe foundation, and I'm in the color F2.90. So now I'm gonna go in with some Morphe concealer, if I can find it. Here we go. I just had it. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab some setting powder and set where I placed concealer. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab a little bit of bronzer. We're gonna go in with the Hoola bronzer, and we're gonna bronze his face up, and then contour the nose, and then add some lipstick and blush, and then close out the video. Hello. If this bronzer wants to open, I need a new bronzer for sure. Like, for real, I need a new bronzer. Now looking at this one, I need a new one. I'm gonna go in back with the Natural Matte palette, and we're gonna go in with that pink shade that was in there and use it as blush. All right, now we're gonna go into some highlight. We're just gonna go in with the In Studio highlighter. This one's good too, so. All right, now we're gonna go into some lipstick. We're gonna go in with the ABH Beauty. now we're gonna grab some Anastasia Beverly Hills Dwey Set setting spray. Okay, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Overall, this palette was really good. I just had a little bit of problem with one of the shadows. I didn't want to turn into a color I didn't well, what I expected it to turn into as soon as I put it on the lid, but with a little bit of you know, packing on, it's gonna get there. I really didn't have too much else of a problem with it, only with that one shade. This palette is really freaking good, especially that white shade I told you guys, which looked more like a cream but turned out white, and that is freaking amazing, because I did tell y'all that I had more of a problem with other palettes than what I did with this one. This one literally just packed on there. I didn't even have to go several times to get that white color, and I expected it more like a cream color, but it turned white, which that is okay because I came out like I did want it to come out. But yeah, this palette is pretty darn cool, really small, really good for traveling, so that is pretty cool. This is the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. Really good shit. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.